Hello, everyone, today. I'm excited to talk about a powerful tool that's transforming how business communicate with their customers. Facebook Messenger Bot Marketing. Now, if you ever interacted with a business or messenger and had instant response to your questions or seen engaging promotions right into your chat, you've already experienced what a messenger bot can do. Let's dive into it, what it is, and how it works and why it's such a game changer. So, what is messenger bot marketing? Messenger bot marketing uses AI-driven chatbots to connect your customers on Facebook Messenger. These bots are essential automated tools programmed to respond to inquiries, provide information, even guided users to purchase processes, all within your Messenger bot or Messenger app. Why Messenger? Because it's where your customers already are. With over 1.3 billion monthly users on Messenger, you have a direct personal channel to engage with your audience. Unlike email, where messages often go unopened, Messenger delivers open rates as high as 80% and response rates that can be 10 times better. The best part, bots can handle repeated tasks like answering FAQs, booking appointments, or sending order updates, freeing up to your team for more complex customer needs. So how does it work? Messenger bots works 24/7 to interact with your audience. For example, a customer clicks on your Facebook ad and opens a messenger chat. The bots greets them, offers a discount code, or answers product related questions. Or they can even guide them to make a purchase directly from that chat. And that is that's just from the text. You include your images, videos, carousels, and call to action buttons to make the interaction engaging and visual appealing. Now, why use messenger bot marketing? And there's three key reasons why businesses are loving messenger bots these days. Personalization. Bots can collect data like customer preferences and use it to send tailored messages, offers, or recommendations. Efficiency. Automation saves time, ensures customers get instant responses, and improves satisfaction. Scalability. Whether you have 10 to 10,000 inquiries, Messenger bots can handle the load without additional staff. Plus, by integrating Messenger bots with your Facebook ads, you create seamless and campaigns that move customers from awareness to action in just a few clicks. So let's see a real life or real world example. Let's say you own an online store. A potential customer visits your Facebook page and has questions about your products. Instead of waiting for a human to respond, your messenger bot instantly provides answers, suggests items, and even processes their order all within that chat. That not only improves the customer experience, but also increases your chances of making a sale. It's quick and it's easy. So So whether you are an e-commerce store, hospitality, or any type of industry, Facebook Messenger bot marketing can help you connect with your audience, boost sales, and save time. Now, if you haven't explored Messenger bots yet, now's the perfect time to get started. It's a tool that not only keeps you ahead of the competition, but also keeps meaningful engaging experiences for your customers. Now, thank you for listening. But I have a nice offer. You can click on my bio and learn more about this exciting tool to enhance your sales. Also, if you there's a link, you can click on the link. Yeah, take you to my ebook I have specifically on this type of subject. Now, it's normally $35, but I'm selling the ebook for only $20. So if you're interested, there's the place to look. And I appreciate your time and effort on examining this exciting tool for your sales.